1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
What is it? Down syndrome is a genetic disorder that occurs in every one of 800 people. Down syndrome is associated with mild to moderate learning disabilities, developmental delays, characteristic facial features, and low muscle tone. Many individuals with Down syndrome also have heart defects, leukemia, early onset, Alzheimer's disease, gastrointestinal problems, and other health issues. The symptoms of Down syndrome range from mild to severe. The life expectancy for people with this disease has increased to 55 and above on average. What causes Down syndrome? Sometimes a person inherits an extra chromosome from one of the parents. In Down syndrome, an individual most often inherits 2 copies of chromosome 21 from the mother and 1 chromosome 21 from the father for a total of 3 chromosomes 21. Because Down syndrome is caused by the inheritance of 3 chromosomes 21, the disorder is also called trisomy 21. About 95% of the individuals with Down syndrome inherit an extra chromosome 21. The effects and symptoms include a flattened face and nose, a short neck, a small mouth, a large protruding tongue, small ears, upward slanting eyes. The hands are short and broad with short fingers, a single crease in the palm, and poor muscle tone and loose ligaments. Average development and growth is usually delayed and often not fully reached. How could it be diagnosed? The diagnosis of Down syndrome can be made before birth using one of several diagnostic tests. If Down syndrome is suspected after a child is born, a diagnosis can be made with chromosome analysis. Amniocentesis is a procedure where a thin needle is inserted through the stomach and a small sample of amniotic fluid is taken. The sample is then analyzed. Chorionic villus sampling is a procedure involving the collection of a chorionic villus cell sample from the placenta either through insertion of a needle in the stomach or through a catheter in the vagina. The chromosomes are then analyzed for deviations. For percutaneous umbilical blood sampling, fetal blood is taken from the umbilical cord using a needle inserted through the abdominal wall. The blood sample is examined for chromosome abnormalities. How is this disease managed? There is currently no cure to Down syndrome. It will take many years to fully grasp the complex interplay between the different genes. Much research is focused on understanding the causes of impaired cognition in Down syndrome and on finding potential therapies that might improve learning. Corrective surgery is necessary for some individuals. Regular health checkups should be scheduled to screen for some conditions. Individuals with Down syndrome should be fully included in family and community life.